Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your sliding door back on track. First, identify your specific door type and its track system. Next, thoroughly clean the entire track, removing any dirt, dust, or debris that might obstruct smooth movement. Then, carefully inspect the rollers for any visible damage, wear, or signs of misalignment. This initial assessment is a crucial first step for a successful and smooth repair process, ensuring you understand the issue before proceeding. Now, with the track clear, carefully lift the door upwards to disengage it from the bottom track. This often requires a firm but gentle lift, sometimes needing two people for larger doors. Once disengaged, angle the bottom edge of the door into the bottom track first, ensuring it sits securely. Then, gently guide and lower the top of the door onto the upper track, making sure both sides are properly seated for smooth operation. After placing the door, locate the adjustment screws on the door's rollers, usually found on the bottom edge. Use a screwdriver to turn these screws clockwise to raise the door or counterclockwise to lower it. Make small adjustments, about 1/4 turn at a time, and then test the door's movement. Repeat until the door slides smoothly without catching. To keep your sliding door operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clean the tracks every few months, removing any accumulated dirt or pet hair. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the rollers and tracks. Avoid oil-based products as they attract more grime. Finally, periodically inspect the rollers for any signs of wear and tear, replacing them if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.